In this video, we will do a 15-item quiz for performing fundamental operations on integers. Let's start. For number 1, if you multiply negative and another negative, we know it's going to be positive. Same thing with dividing. Dividing with a negative with another negative will give you positive. And there you go. For number 2, when adding different signs, we would find the difference or simply subtract the numbers. There you go. Question number 3. When multiplying or dividing a negative and positive number, your result will be multiplying a negative and a positive will result in a negative. Same thing with the division. Same thing with division. Negative times positive will give you negative because of the faces. There you go. Question number 4. We have -5 minus -7. We will take the additive inverse of the second. Since they have different signs, we would find the difference between 5 and 7. Between these two, 7 is the larger number, so we will use the sign of 7, which is positive. And the difference of 5 and 7 is 2, positive 2. There you go. Question number 5, we have -6 and -2. Since we have same signs, we would just add these two. Negative and a negative will give you negative. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. -8. There you go. We have question number 6. -8 plus -2. They have the same sign, and negative plus a negative will give you a negative. 8 plus 2 is 10. The answer is -10. There you go. Question number 7. Which question is the same as 24 plus -6? Since it's 24 plus -6, it is the same as saying finding the difference, or 24 minus 6. There you go. Question number 8. -3 times -4. Negative and a negative will give you positive. 3 times 4 is 12. Positive 12. Question number 9. -10 times 4. A negative times a positive will give you negative. 10 times 4 is 40. -40. There you go. Question number 10. -30 divided by -10. Negative divided by a negative will give you positive. 30 divided by 10 is 3. The answer is positive 3. There you go. Question 11. -25 divided by -5. A negative divided by a negative will give you positive. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Positive 5. There you go. Question number 12. -8 times 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, and everything you multiply with 0 will simply give you 0. There you go. Question number 13. 23, -47, +18, minus -12. Let's do it by pairs. Starting with these two. 23 and -47, combining those would give you -24. Then we still have +18. Then we still have +18 minus -12. -24 and +18, combining those would give you negative 6. Then we would subtract that to negative 12. And then we have negative 6 minus. Then let's find the additive inverse of negative 12, which is positive 12. And negative 6 and positive 12 would give you, there you go. Question number 14. We have negative 12 times negative 10. Negative times a negative will give you a positive. 12 times 10 is 120. Positive 120. Finally, we have question number 15. We have negative 15 plus 20 times negative 3 minus 10. Let's do the multiplication first. Order of operations. We still have negative 15. Positive 20 times negative 3 would give you a negative. 20 times 3 would give you 60. And then we have negative 10. Since all of them are negative, let's just combine them all. Adding negatives would give you negative. 15 plus 60 plus 10 would give you 85. The answer is negative 85. There you go. And that's it. End.